Alright, here's randomization for Mike Downey's mini to close the 2 helmet winner Raz. Looks like we have a Diggs, and I believe that's the purple People Eaters helmet, or it's Carl Eller, one of the two. Go down here, type live. $104, $104. Cut this list over here. Looks like we got Matt on top, Matt on bottom. Five or greater on the dice roll. We have 9. Good luck. Looks like let me go back here. I think it was top 2 win. First gets 4, second gets 2 in the main. Okay. Going on the final round. Matt's on top right now. Final round. Good luck. $105, $105. Alright, top 2. Let's go. Trevor Nelson, spot 6, and Matt Brackey, spot 8. You are the winners. Trevor gets 4 spots, Matt gets 2. Go back over to Facebook, type done. And winners of the mini, contact Downey on the main post. Alright. Good luck, everyone, for the main.